All right, guys, back on the 79 Lincoln. Already showed you got the intake manifold on. Getting ready to put the valve covers back on. As you can see, got the new valve covers. Yet again, Felpro. I really like Felpro. I also like Molly. I know a lot of people talk bad about Molly, but I don't know why they do that. I've been doing this for 22 years, so a little experience I've had with them. So here we are. 466 liter or 4400 new valve covers. Now the valve covers originally came with silicone seals. It had silicone on it, so I'm going to go ahead and use these valve cover gaskets because I hate using silicone. That's so ancient, just not into that. But here is the somewhat cleaned up valve covers. It wasn't easy to clean these bad boys up, as you can see. Just cleaned them the best I could. Those lines were already there. There's also those lines on the production side of it, like right there. Look at that. That's from when the casting was made or whatnot. That just shows you how old and archaic these systems are. But whatever. Here we are. Let me go ahead and get these valve cover gaskets on. Put it on, and I'll show you how that goes. All right, guys. See you in a minute.